Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam candle centerpiece. And so what we'll need is you're going to need one of these nickel trays or silver trays from Dollar Tree. And I've got 3 different kinds of candle holders here that I picked up at Dollar Tree. You can use whatever shape or whatever size you like. And then I have a pair of these tea light holders. I have got 3 of these little flameless candle tea lights. And then I just have an array of florals. You can use whatever color you'd like, because this is for fall, so you can use whatever color you'd like. I've got a styrofoam ring here, which I may or may not be using. I've got some hot glue. And then I have some of these peel and stick gemstones that I picked up at Walmart, but you can find these on a half sheet roll, on a half sheet size at your local Dollar Tree. And these are the items that we'll need in order to get this fall candle centerpiece completed. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by adding some of these gemstones to the glass. Now I'm going to glue in to position the pedestal portions. And now I'm just going to start adding some florals around it just to kind of fill it in. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Very simple and so elegant. Now let's decorate with it.